Welcome to Passive Cash Flow, a channel dedicated to guiding you towards financial independence through sustainable passive income streams. Imagine money as a gateway to a realm of endless possibilities. Each choice you make a doorway to a new path. Yet, with every decision, there exists a trade-off, a delicate balance between what you can have and what you must forego. Cheerful melodies echo in the background, underscoring the profound truth: you can afford anything, but not everything. Whether it's the allure of exotic travels, tantalizing culinary adventures, or the dream of owning a home, the universe beckons with myriad treasures. Yet, amidst this cornucopia of desires, there lies a caveat: the elusive pursuit of balance. You can possess that which you cherish, but it comes with the realization that you cannot indulge in an infinite stream of desires. It's not merely a matter of finances. It extends to every aspect of your existence: your time, your focus, your energy, your attention, all finite resources in the grand tapestry of life. Life, in its essence, is the ultimate currency, finite and precious. As you refine your prowess in managing your finances, you simultaneously hone your skills in orchestrating the symphony of your existence. Each financial decision becomes a microcosm of your broader journey, a testament to your aptitude in navigating the labyrinth of life. Contemplative melodies fill the air as the discourse shifts towards a quest for financial independence. Through the lens of first principles thinking, we embark on a journey of introspection, delving beyond mere products and tactics. The narrative transcends superficial solutions, delving into the fundamental principles that underpin sound financial management. In this odyssey towards financial enlightenment, we navigate the labyrinthine corridors of our monetary landscape with purpose and intention. Each decision, each choice becomes a deliberate step towards the realization of our aspirations. As we unravel the intricacies of wealth management, we unlock the gateway to a future imbued with freedom, autonomy, and fulfillment. Imagine your thoughts as a lush tree, with leaves representing the visible surface, the tactics and products that catch our attention. Yet, to truly understand and thrive, we must venture below the surface, to the roots, where the essence lies. This is the philosophy of first principles thinking, an approach that dismantles everything, peeling away layers to reveal the core. In this arboreal analogy, the roots symbolize your values, the bedrock of your existence, the profound answer to what truly matters. From these roots, a sturdy trunk emerges, embodying your philosophy of life and the kind of existence you aspire to. Picture this trunk as the backbone of your journey, supporting the branches that extend outward, representing your strategies. As your philosophy takes shape, it branches into specific objectives and goals, like limbs stretching toward the sky. Now, you can begin to devise strategies, the intricate pathways leading to the realization of your aspirations. Only once this strategic framework is in place do the leaves, the tactics, and products come into play. They are the visible manifestations of your well-established roots, trunk, and branches. Starting with tactics or products without laying the groundwork is akin to holding a leaf without nurturing the tree's roots. It's a superficial approach that neglects the essence, the values, philosophy, and strategy that should be the driving force behind every decision. By delving into the roots of your beliefs, building a robust trunk of philosophy, and branching out into strategic objectives, you cultivate a holistic approach that transcends mere tactics. So, as you contemplate your financial journey, remember to dig deep, explore your values, and build a sturdy philosophical trunk. From there, let your strategic branches extend and finally allow the leaves, the tactics and products, to flourish in alignment with your profound foundation. This is the essence of first principles thinking, a journey that transforms your financial landscape into a thriving, purposeful ecosystem. Financial independence. Let's unravel the essence of personal finance, steering away from the conventional narrative of delayed gratification merely to amass wealth for the twilight years. Instead, let's delve into the captivating realm of financial independence, where the meticulous care of your finances blossoms into an abundant garden of freedom, opportunity, and choice. Financial independence, FI, is not just a distant milestone. It's a vibrant juncture where your passive income, the money that gracefully trickles in while you're asleep, blankets your basic bills. Picture this: a life where financial worries cease to be a relentless hum in the background. It's not about accumulating riches for the sake of it, but rather about sculpting a future where your choices are boundless. Imagine the transformative power of FI, the point where your financial shackles loosen, where you have the autonomy to shape your destiny. It's not merely about reaching a certain age, it's about unlocking doors to a myriad of possibilities. Want to stay devoted to your current profession? Dreaming of a midlife career change? Entertaining the notion of embracing full-time parenthood? Or perhaps the allure of traversing the globe tugs at your soul? Whatever your heart desires, you can pursue it with unwavering confidence. This isn't about fretting over how you'll keep the lights on or whether the fridge will be stocked. It's about transcending the mundane concerns and savoring the sheer delight of choice. Financial independence is your ticket to a life where the pursuit of passion takes precedence over the perpetual grind for survival. It's an invitation to live authentically, unburdened by the financial constraints that often dictate our choices. So, let's shift the conversation from a monotonous dialogue about delayed gratification to an exhilarating discourse about financial independence. A realm where your financial decisions sow the seeds of liberation, where the flourishing of your dreams is not a distant mirage, but a tangible reality within your grasp. Simple Steps to Independence Embarking on the journey toward financial independence is an endeavor open to all, but the initial steps you take will be as unique as your current position on this path. Allow me to unfold the narrative of achieving financial independence, a tale woven with 3 fundamental steps. Grow the gap, invest the gap, and then, with relentless determination, repeat. 2. Grow the gap is to expand the space between your earnings and expenditures. Picture it as cultivating a fertile ground where financial abundance thrives. Now, there are only 2 avenues to widen this gap: earn more or spend less, or perhaps a harmonious blend of both. For those navigating the early stages, like my humble beginnings post-college, where my annual income was a modest $21,000, the focus lies in boosting earnings. On the flip side, if you're already basking in substantial income but find yourself entangled in a web of excessive spending, the low-hanging fruit is to rein in those expenditures. It's about peeling back the layers, delving into the psychological roots that give rise to this spending dilemma. As we traverse the varied landscapes of financial journeys, remember that these steps are not rigid. They're adaptable to your unique circumstances. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario, but rather a dynamic dance where your individual rhythm dictates the pace. The allure of financial independence lies not just in the destination, but in the evolving narrative of growth and self-discovery along the way. So, let this journey unfold organically, allowing each step to resonate with your unique melody. Whether you're fine-tuning your income or unraveling the complexities of spending patterns, recognize that financial independence is not just a destination. It's a symphony of choices, a crescendo of empowerment that awaits. As we take these strides together, let the pursuit of financial independence become a personalized masterpiece, a narrative where you're the orchestrator of your financial destiny. Throughout history, the world has danced on the edge of volatility, with each era etched with its own unique tapestry of challenges. A century ago, a pandemic cast its shadow, entwined with the turmoil of the First World War. A mere decade later, the Great Depression unfurled its grip, followed by the ravages of World War II. Since then, a cascade of global events has continued to shape the narrative of our shared existence. My personal journey towards financial independence, FI, was fueled by a profound sense of fear and anxiety, a response to the perpetual ebb and flow of uncertainty in my life and the world. The remedy, as I discovered, lay in the art of saving, a deliberate obsession that granted me a semblance of control and alleviated the shadows of an unpredictable future. In the sanctuary of my savings, I found psychological solace. a buffer against the uncertainties that life ceaselessly presents. Change is the ceaseless heartbeat of our world, an inevitable companion on the journey through time. As we navigate the tumultuous currents of today's global landscape, fear may emerge as a natural companion. Yet I implore you to not shy away from it. Instead, embrace that fear as a catalyst, a potent fuel that propels you towards judicious decisions regarding your finances, time, and effort. It is within this crucible of fear that you can forge a life imbued with intentionality, a life crafted with meticulous care and purpose. The canvas of intentional living is painted with the strokes of wise choices, sculpted by the hand of motivation born from fear. It is an art form that allows you to navigate the unpredictable seas of life with a steady helm, steering towards the shores of resilience and fulfillment. Amidst the chaos, there lies a profound joy in building a life that mirrors your aspirations, a life that blooms with intentionality and purpose. So, let fear be the catalyst that propels you towards the creation of a life that is not merely lived, but intentionally crafted, where joy becomes the melody of your existence.